Hello, Honor Chem kids. Just want to give you a brief, quick tutorial on how to do a Google Meet with Honor Chemistry. Many of you maybe have done this, some of you may have not, so I just wanted to let you know how we're going to do it when we meet collaboratively as a group. Today I am offering 2 Google Meets, one at 10 a.m. and one at 1 p.m. And you're going to notice that there will be a link for you to get on from my daily message page. So here's what you would do. First of all, when you're talking about anything we're doing in school, you got to use your Eden Prairie credentials. You're going to use your password that you would use for your Eden Prairie credentials. And then you will notice here in my message, there is going to be a link here. This may not be the link for the 10 a.m., but it will look something similar to this. So in that link, you are just going to click on that. You may have to post it or even copy it, and you can put it into a browser. I would recommend Chrome. And what you will get is a message that will look like this, ready to join. You're actually going to see a screen over here, but you will see that I will be in the meeting, and then it will say join now, and you are allowed to join. So you just click this join now button. Please do not ever use the phone feature. I would prefer that we're going to collaborate with your computer. That will be better. So then once you click join now, you're going to see a screen that looks like this. And it will say on the meeting loading page, toggle the microphone and the camera buttons as needed. If there are more than 3 of us in the meeting, I want to always keep your camera on, which is this button right here, but please toggle off your microphone. That's to prevent the background noise from when we have a large group. And then we can meet as needed. Do know that when you are called upon, you should then toggle your microphone on so that we can hear you speak. So that will be the procedure, and it should go smoothly, hopefully. Talk to you guys later. Hope to see you soon.